What's up guys, and what a news day today. The Galaxy S21 is not what you think it is. Unlike last 10 generations, this time around it's a toned down, intentionally downgraded flagship in some areas to make way for the next big thing in tech, and that is the foldable smartphones. We also have some exclusive bombshell leaks to discuss regarding the Galaxy Z Flip 2 and an interesting decision that Samsung might take regarding the naming of their phones. Now a big shout out to Shopdagger for sponsoring this video. Guys, if you want to save money and time while shopping online, then you need Shopdagger. Especially with Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, Shopdagger is going to be your perfect online shopping assistant. You can either download their free application on your phone if you shop on your smartphone, or you can install their Google Chrome extension if you do shopping on your desktop or laptop. Head over to your favorite online store, and as you are shopping online, Shopdagger actually lets you save items or multiple items according to your preferences, and then it can alert you via notification when that item goes on sale. That is an incredible feature that I use all the time, but the next feature is my absolute favorite one. Shopdagger has loads of coupon code that will make you save a lot of money. For example, I was gonna buy these glasses from the store for like $75, and thanks to Shopdagger, which automatically searched the web and applied the coupon code, it saved me $30, and that's actually a lot. So whenever you're shopping online with Shopdagger, you will be able to save a lot of money. Now they actually launched a brand new cashback feature. You can actually earn cash via PayPal every time you shop from select retail partners. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, check out Shopdagger, and start saving money now. Okay, so according to the news coming from South Korea, the Galaxy S21 might come really early this time around compared to the last year's Galaxy S20 devices. There's a discussion going on in Samsung for a possibility of launching the S21 in December of this year. That is actually super crazy to me, having two Galaxy S flagship phones announced in 1 year. It's mentioned that it's either going to be late December or in January. Furthermore, parts makers have confirmed that they will start producing the parts for Galaxy S21 from November, which makes it around 1.5 months early compared to last year's S20 lineup. Honestly, as I've said earlier, Samsung will be completely changing its lineup next year. The Galaxy S21 has been downgraded in certain areas to make it like an affordable flagship. It's rumored to be the cheapest Samsung flagship phone in recent times. Unlike the $1,000 S20, the S21 might actually cost around $800. It's gonna be like an upgraded brother to the Galaxy S20 FE. Samsung might be using a glass-stick material, flagship Exynos 2100 Beast processor, flagship cameras. The display is set to be flat, so curved display will most likely be exclusive to the Ultra model. 120Hz refresh rate, just an all-around solid flagship phone, but nothing groundbreaking. Now this source also follows previous rumors that we're still going to see 3 Galaxy S21 models, the S21, S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. Furthermore, Samsung is set to expand colors to 4 colors this time around. What's super interesting is that the top model, the Galaxy S21 Ultra, is set to have S Pen for the first time on a Galaxy S series model. They further mentioned that Samsung is planning to discontinue the Galaxy Note series. With the Z Fold 3 rumored to come with S Pen, it kinda makes sense for Samsung to replace it. Again, nothing is fully entirely confirmed, but the leaks and rumors are pointing towards some mad moves. Now, if they actually launch the S21 devices earlier than expected, this may be because Samsung is planning some big things with the foldable Galaxy Z Flip 2. The Z Flip is your new flagship Galaxy S phone. The Z Fold 3 is gonna be your new flagship Galaxy Note phone. Now, in collaboration with MariQ HD, he has given me some exclusive Galaxy rumors, so it seems like Samsung may be planning 2 versions of Galaxy Z Flip 2 next year. There might be 2 different sizes. He mentioned Z Flip Ultra. Basically, it's going to be a higher end model with 120Hz refresh rate, flagship camera system. Samsung is the undisputed king of foldables right now, with Huawei and Apple nowhere to be seen. They're gonna absolutely dominate the market. Now, speaking of Huawei, they're going through probably the toughest time ever on the company thanks to the US sanctions. Because of that, there's a huge gap in the market, and this is also why Samsung might be trying to release the S21 devices earlier than usual. Now, MariCute HD also says that Samsung might be simplifying the name of their future phones, which is something that needs to happen. The naming could be Samsung Z Flip 2, Samsung Z Fold 3, Samsung S21. Getting rid of the Galaxy word does make things a lot simple, but let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Now, last but not the least, the Exynos 1080 processor is a total beast. It has surpassed the Snapdragon 865 Plus chip in the Antutu benchmark. It's not even the flagship processor from Samsung, that is the Exynos 2100, and still it's stronger than a flagship processor from last year, which is crazy. Also, the GPU Mali G78 has a better score than the Adreno graphics of Snapdragon 865. Since it's a 5nm chip, it's gonna be a lot more efficient, it's gonna run cooler as well. Samsung definitely is making a massive comeback after the whole Exynos 990 drama. Now guys, the ultimate collaboration between Samsung and AMD will happen in 2022. It seems like Samsung has already started developing the Exynos 9855 and Exynos 9925 processors with AMD GPU. It is expected that the first AMD graphics-based Exynos processor will hit the market sometime in 2022, but if we are lucky, we might see something like this in late 2021. Perhaps exclusively with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, I mean, that's gonna be absolutely mad. But yeah, that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts about everything in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.